Hi, I'm Darren Williams. I'm one of the mentors here at Progressive Property, and in this video we're going to talk about how we can build a property portfolio by using a strategy called BRR, which stands for Buy, Refurb, Refinance. So please hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive more videos like this one. Right, let's get to it. So in property, there's lots of different strategies out there, but the one I absolutely love the most is BRR, which stands for Buy, Refurb, Refinance. So with this strategy, you get to build a property portfolio by recycling the same pot of cash. So this is the strategy that has worked absolutely brilliant for me, and this has really helped me grow a large property portfolio. Buy, Refurb, Refinance is a really simple strategy. I can give you an example of a project that we're doing right now. So we've secured a property that was on the market for 75,000. We've actually bought the property for 50,000. We're then going to give the property a refurb, which comes in at £25,000. Now another property on the same street has just sold for £109,000. So as you can see, we are £75,000 all in, and we have a large equity stake in the property. So this is such powerful strategy because we get to use that same pot of money on one project, and we get to refinance and put it into the next project. So this is the best way to grow a large property portfolio. If you found this video useful, I recommend you click on the link above. So with this link, you'll be able to book on Progressive Property's multiple streams of property income. This is a brilliant 3-day property training event, which is absolutely perfect for beginners for you to start your property journey. If you book on now, we will send you a complimentary ticket. And if you book on this link right now, we will also send you a free gift. Here at Progressive Property, we have a full family of expert speakers and mentors. So if you'd like to see more videos from other parts of the Progressive family, please subscribe to this channel now. I'm Darren. I'll see you in the next video.